Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kids, welcome back to, as soon as I turn that on, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. I haven't done a Jackal video in a while, and I miss it. I miss talking about it, so we're going to go ahead and get to it here a little bit. I know that there is an awful lot of concern about that price. You know what? It is what it is. I'm not going to I'm not going to have a go at this or make any kind of price prediction. I will say that my intrinsic valuation for this particular token is much higher. So as long as I can keep farming up Ethereum and utilizing the V3 pools on some of these other platforms, this works just fine for me, man. I keep getting more, keep getting it at a good price under my intrinsic valuation, and it all works. But the thing that's really going to swing Jackal out, and token price, that's going to be handled, man. Look, they're going to base, they're going to Aerodrome most likely. It's not my message. They've put it out over and over, so I'm not concerned about that. You're going to be bringing what's effectively the best tech over into a place with a lot of liquidity, and these things just kind of work themselves out. But it's always going to come back to it's always going to come back to the vault. That's it. This is the bread and butter of everything that's going on over here on Jackal. Happens to be the Jackal Vault. Now they've put out that they are building a lot more apps. This is it, and it fits so well into my wheelhouse because I post consistently and constantly about apps, not chains. So Jackal happens to be a chain, but they are an app chain. And apps are the thing that's going to more or less bring this over because it's great, but you got to have some usability to it. Is why we tokens up, down, doesn't really matter. But usability of the platform is absolutely critical, and they have a very, very easy to use platform. If you come over here to vault.jackalprotocol.com, that is vault.jackalprotocol.com. If you're not sure, actually decentralized storage. I this is the wrong frame for this, but Ian sent me over that, and I just think it's awesome. All you need is a Leap wallet, a Kepler wallet. Come over there, click the button. If you've signed up, I clearly have an account. Boom, you're up, you're in, and you can upload your data. You can manipulate it. You can take it. You can move it. I've done plenty of step-by-steps on here. I'm not going to do another one right now. I just want to introduce and make sure that people are aware that something called vault.jackalprotocol.com is actually functioning. And the best part about this, the thing that I love about what they're doing, and they're not alone. I like what Flix is doing. I like what Akash is doing. I like products. I like things that are product-based. And all of these are product-based. And what that means is that they have the capability of attracting organic revenue. That's people not buying the tokens, but the people that are actually using the product. And that is hands down the best revenue that you can get for anything over here, because this is money that never leaves the chain. It never leaves Web3. Once it comes in, it's not like tokens. It's not like buying a whole bunch of tokens where you can just turn around and sell them 5 minutes after you buy them. This is money that's coming in to pay for a service, and it's a service that Jackal provides. So they get paid and they store their data or any of the other numerous apps that they have going up, and that's it. The money never leaves the chain. That's the secret out here in Web3, and it's a secret that most Web3 companies seem to be just kind of tiptoeing around because they're not there to sell a product. They're there to sell a token. Jackal is here to sell a product. Akash is here to sell a product. Flix is here to sell a product, and that's it. That's hands down what's going to happen. Sure, Bitcoin. Look at here, guys. We just hit 104. Like, we're going to give it a big old round of applause, and as that thing continues to sail away, alts simply do not. They are just sitting there stagnant because people have figured out the huck over there. Get them in, create an idea, back it up with a whole bunch of venture capitalist money, and slowly bleed retail flat. This is not the way. This is not what blockchain was intended for. You could literally do the same thing with any meme that you're doing right here with Bitcoin. It's not going to move up by percentage, but it's the exact same idea. Get people to buy the tokens. And Jackal isn't about that. So while I appreciate the philosophical area that we've created, we have two things going on here: the market that we have and the market that we want. So I have to go over and take advantage of the market that we have to try to create the market that we want. But the best part is that I don't have to do it alone. I have teams and teams and teams of people that are out there building products, that are pushing products, that are going to generate that organic revenue and allow that token to go up organically. This is critical. We're missing everywhere, but the teams that have it right have it very right, and Jackal happens to be one of those. So if you want to help if you want to support your bags, that's what we say out here. Hustle for your bags. Use Jackal Storage, man. Vault.jackalprotocol.com. That is vault.jackalprotocol.com. Use the product, and the token will take care of itself. That's all I got on this one, guys. Questions or comments? I think I have my my lower third is turned off. Any questions or comments, Scott at thepodcast.com. I am happy to answer all of them. Sorry for the attire today. We just finished up a live stream with the OmniFlex. Great stream, by the way. But yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do it like this, but here we are. Anyway, again, questions, comments, Scott at thepodcast.com. And until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, guys. Cheers.